song for any of you who feel like you might be losing out to the cat in the house in the affection states. It's called I Want to Be Your Cat. Your love's been wearing thin since the day that cat moved in. I used to be the queen around this house, but lately I've been feeling like a mouse. With her love I can't compete. She's always hanging around your feet and slowly rubbing up and down your leg. I want your love, but I ain't gonna beg. I want to be your cat, sitting on your lap. Man, I wished you would love me like that. I'd stay there purring and never stirring like